I've never had anyone complete the words I say. You told me the one you're with can make you feel this way. If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing, no, this is true love, I swear. And we need to make a choice right now. I know this could end in a catastrophe, but there's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight, 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 remember we said with faith we try to let this pass. And no matter how much we avoid